Here's how to fix the Roblox low memory warning on iPhone and iPad. Open the Settings app and go to General, iPhone Storage. Check how much free storage is available. If you have less than 2 GB of free space, delete unused apps, photos, or other files until you have enough storage available. Next, scroll down and find Roblox. Tap it, select Offload App, and confirm. Once it's finished, tap Reinstall App to reinstall the app without deleting your saved data. After that, go back to General and tap Software Update. If an iOS or iPadOS update is available, install it, as outdated software can sometimes cause memory-related issues. Finally, close all background apps before launching Roblox. This frees up RAM and allows Roblox to use more of your device's available memory, reducing the chance of the low memory warning appearing. If you're still seeing the error after trying these steps, restart your iPhone or iPad and launch Roblox again. That's all for this video. Thanks.